FITZ BAILEY wants life sentence for people found with illegal guns.
And I've said it many times that persons who possess an illegal firearm should be sent to prison for life.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Deputy Commissioner of Police FITZ BAILEY believes that people who are caught with illegal firearms should be sentenced to life imprisonment. Parliament in 2010 amended the Firearms Act to impose a minimum sentence of 15 years imprisonment and a maximum term of life imprisonment for people convicted of certain firearm offenses. However, the courts have, in some instances, imposed sentences lower than 15 years behind bars. Bailey, while being coy on the Jamaica Constabulary Force's overall position on the matter, said that he personally believes that the only way to deter criminals using illegal weapons is to legislate harsher penalties.
I know the lawmakers, they are working on amending the Firearm Act. I really don't want to get into that. I leave that up to the lawmakers, those who have the responsibility. We have made our submission already. But we have a legal department that focus on supporting the body that is responsible for legal reform, etc. But I can't say what is the JCF position. I am not certain that the JCF collectively has a position. We would want to ensure that the penalty fits the crime. And one of the issues that we are confronted with is the frequent use of gun. If I were to give my own position, and I've said it many times, that persons who possess an illegal firearm should be sent to prison for life. That's my position.
Bailey, who oversees a crime portfolio within the JCF, said that persons who knowingly lock illegal guns for criminals must not be excluded from the discussions.
In addition to that, and I'm talking about my position, that it is my view that if it can be established that the owner of a property is aware and support a person keeping an illegal.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!